Hinangaan ng netizens ang singer-actress at comedian na si Tuesday Vargas matapos itong mag-open up sa social media tungkol sa kanyang mental health. Sa kanyang social media post ibinahagi ni Tuesday ang 10 Things Most People Do Not Know About Me, kung saan una niyang ikinwento ang kanyang childhood, paano siya naging independent, hanggang sa natutunan niya ang entrepreneurship. Sa naturang post, kinumpirma ng aktres na na-diagnose siya ng high-functioning autism at ADHD, sa edad na 12. Aniya, suddenly my young life made sense. All that, ang kulit ng batang yan, was clear to me. Ayon pa sa aktres, nakaranas din umano siya ng iba't ibang uri ng pang-aabuso growing up pero aniyay hindi pa kayang i-detalye sa ngayon. Naging single mom si Tuesday sa edad na 21, with no job, no support system and no future plans. Bukod dito, ilang failed relationships din ang naranasan ng aktres. I do not blame anyone for this. My eyes were open when I entered these romantic involvements and I am paying the price for all the wrong decisions I made. Natutunan naman niya kalaunan na mahalin ang sarili. I am the love of my life. I am the only one capable of loving myself the way I need to be loved. Simula 2018, ay sumasailalim na siya sa therapy, lalo na noong pandemic nang lumala ang kondisyon nito. Paliwanag ni Tuesday, now I suffer from generalized anxiety, PTSD and panic attack disorder which I am currently working on. Ibinahagi niya rin na 2 beses niyang tinangkang kitilin ang buhay niya ngunit sa kabila nito, nananatili umano siyang fighter. Paalala naman ni Tuesday, before you judge too harshly, check on your friends. Especially those that smile and laugh a lot, those who are really good in social situations, those that do not ask for help. Your phone call might just save a life.